SaySo, a new short-form video app aiming to fix the news trust crisis in an era where social media feeds are increasingly crowded with AI slop and misinformation. A new player is entering the short-form video market with a specific mission to restore credibility to digital news. SaySo, a new app designed for curated, high-integrity journalism, has officially launched for iOS users in the US and Canada following a private beta period. The problem? A crisis of trust and attention. The launch of SaySo comes at a critical juncture for digital media. While platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube have become primary news sources for many, they are plagued by growing skepticism. Users are increasingly wary of misinformation and AI-generated content that clutters feeds. Algorithmic fatigue, where endless scrolling leads to information overload rather than understanding. Eroding institutional trust, evidenced by recent studies showing that only 56% of US adults express trust in national news media. SaySo seeks to pivot away from the infinite scroll model, offering instead an intentional experience that prioritizes accuracy over engagement at any cost. How SaySo works: curation over chaos. Unlike traditional social media platforms that rely on unpredictable algorithms to keep users hooked, SaySo focuses on structured consumption through several key features. The Daily Digest. To combat information overwhelm, the app features a daily digest. Upon signing up, users select specific topics, such as politics, public health, or crime, and receive a curated set of videos. This selection refreshes every 20 hours, providing a finite, digestible update rather than an endless stream of content. Rigorous content moderation. To ensure the integrity of the news, SaySo employs a multi-layered verification process. Mandatory sourcing. Creators are required to include their information sources directly within their videos. Human and AI hybrid moderation. Content does not auto-publish. Instead, it enters a moderation queue where it is vetted before reaching the audience. Community accountability. The platform is developing a community notes feature, inspired by models used by X, formerly Twitter, allowing users to participate in crowdsourced fact-checking. Vetted creators. The app launched with an initial cohort of approximately 30 specialized creators, including independent journalists and subject matter experts like Nico Agosta. Financial transparency and Dr. Victoria, social justice. The business model and leadership. SaySo is the flagship product of Caliber, formerly the News Movement, a company founded in 2022 to focus on social, short-form journalism. The leadership team brings significant industry experience. CEO and co-founder Raman Beheshti previously served as the Chief Product and Tech Officer at Dow Jones. Regarding the economics of the platform, Beheshti noted that initial creators are being treated as founding partners, receiving stipends, while a full monetization infrastructure is still under development. The company has stated its intention to ensure the majority of future revenue flows directly back to the creators. Looking ahead, the roadmap for SaySo includes a planned expansion into the United Kingdom this summer, with further international growth targeted throughout 2027. We wanted to build a new breed of news product that helped people, rather than add to the familiar overwhelm so many of us experience, says CEO Raman Beheshti. Conclusion: by prioritizing source validation and structured daily updates over algorithmic addiction, SaySo is attempting to carve out a niche for intentional journalism in a fragmented digital landscape. Its success will likely depend on whether it can effectively balance strict moderation with the rapid pace of modern news cycles.